Hurricane Sandy crashing on shore. Winds now at 90 miles per hour, and this storm is so big, so vast, 60 million Americans will feel its power.
Fear will keep the local systems in line. Fear of this battle station.
We're essentially inside the storm, Diane. It is just to our south. We're easily getting into some of the worst gusts, 60 to even 74 miles per hour, that threshold of hurricane force, one of the worst storms that has ever hit Atlantic City. This city is basically underwater. Water from the ocean, water from the bays. It is everywhere. This is the storm that we forecasted and then some.
This station is now the ultimate power in the universe.
The storm is on top of us right now.
And it's only going to get worse during the next high tide.
And boom goes the dynamite.